Yo, what the fuck is good, guys? Welcome to some preparation with Chefbiz. I got a bit of a title upgrade since last time. I'm no longer regular biz. Alright, so it's about like 8 o'clock in the morning, you know, I'm feeling kind of, I don't know what you, famished? Is that the word? Thirsty? I've been feeling a little bit of a banana smoothie or milkshake, both ways. It's a bit of a convoluted recipe here, so I'm gonna have to consult the good old family recipe book. Oh shit. Alright, so I got this shit memorized. Hopefully I won't need the book no more. And let's get fucking started. Step 1. Schmilk. Step 2. Schmananas. Except these kind of look kind of fucked up. Because they're like green. But trust me, they're good as fuck. Let me know down below how you break your bananas. People be saying chimps be squeezing the ends and shit. It's like, bro, that's not how this shit works, dude. Just dump your shit in here. Simple flips. You know, I'm gonna pull out a little bit of a wild card here. So if I look 90 degrees this way, here's my fucking fridge, dude, and that's me right there. Can't really see me, but see my fucking hands. Friendlies. You know people with them accents be saying. I'm gonna be honest here. I don't really eat too much ice cream, so that's why I'm pretty sure we've had this shit for like last year, all of last year, and I haven't eaten this shit. All right, so I'm gonna do 2.5 instead of 3, cause you know I don't really fuck with that. So yeah, that's done. So I'm putting this shit on, but you know I gotta make sure I put this shit in right, cause you know I might be doing it one-handed for the meme, but. Best believe why the fuck is this shit not closed? Put this shit on. Hopefully this shit fucking closes. Nah, we good. I gotta mix the milk around. It's kind of redundant because that's what this fucking shit does anyway. We good? Yeah, we good. Banana smoothie. Oh fuck, I can't open it with one hand. Alright, listen, let's take a sip, yo. I want to make it look like first person style, but I can't. There we go, bro. Tastes like bananas.